In this tutorial, we will learn about a function with return type and with argument. So it will have both the return type and argument. So let us write a C function. So C function with return type and with arguments. So arguments are the parameters which go into the function for some computation, and return type is the answer which is returned after the computation. So let us include the header file hash include stdio.h. The header file is essential because if we want to use printf and scanf function, these are available inside this header file. Next, let us declare the function prototype. So because it will have a return type, we need to first mention it. So int, and let me give the name of the function as sum, and it will have two input arguments, some int a comma int b. Because to perform addition, I need minimum two numbers. So this is referred to as function prototype. Next, you can open your main function, and inside main function you can declare your variables. So I'm declaring int a comma b comma, and I can declare one variable to store the result. Then we can ask the user to enter the values. So I'll ask user to enter what values they want to add, and using scanf I will store them inside those variables. So because they are of type integer, I will use %d as format specifier, and I'll store them inside a and b. That is why we need to write and a comma and b, and then I will say result is equal to. So I will call my sum function, and I will pass the values as a and b to that function. So whatever answer this sum function will return, it will go to result, and that result we can print as the answer. So printf I will write some value is equal to some %d. Replace that %d value with result because the answer is stored in result. Or one more way of writing the same thing is you can write printf. You can write %d plus %d is equal to %d. So we'll just add a slash n here also, and so replace first %d with a, then next one with b, and you can directly write the name of the function also. So if you write directly name of the function, the third %d which is there will be directly replaced with whatever answer is returned by this function. So that is also one more way of writing this. So this part where you are calling the function, this is called a function call. A function will have three parts. First you need to define the prototype, you need to call the function, and finally you need to define the function also. So we need a function definition now, in which you will tell to the compiler that what is happening inside the function. So let us write that function definition also. So how to write it is you write the same function and int a comma int b, and because we are performing addition, you can just directly write return a plus b. So it will return the summation of the two numbers which you have passed by a user. So let us run this code and once check the output. So it is asking me to enter two numbers. For example, if I enter 5 and 9 and hit enter, then some value equal to 14 and 5 plus 9 equal to 14 it will return, because when you enter 5 and 9, the number 5 goes to a value, 9 goes to b value. So what it is being returned is a plus b. So 5 plus 9 which is 14 is being returned, and that will go and store in the result variable. So when we are printing in line number 10 and 11, so that result will be some value 14 will be printed, and here also when I write sum of a comma b, function will return 14 as the answer, so it will also print 14. So this was an example of a function which has return type as well as argument, and this is called function definition. So just we'll have a look at the code, complete code. So, and this is the output. Thank you.